Okay, here we are having a look at the new built-in Screencast tool, which will be available in Chrome version 103. So remember, it is a standalone app, so you'll need to go to your Everything button or your Anything button, or your Search button, whatever you want to call it, and click on that, it'll open up, and the app will be sitting inside there. So I'm now inside Screencast, and it is transcribing what I say. If I want to move the camera, I can click it and drag it to there. I can also make it smaller and make it larger. So let's leave it down the side there. Now here we are looking at the Gmail interface. If I then want to point something out on it, I can grab the marker tool, hit up the top and say, up the top here are my add tasks and my snooze. If I go to here, I'll find some different options available to me as well. So that's how we can have a look at what is on our screen. We can underline things if we want to draw attention to them, draw a big old circle around them, and we can maybe draw some arrows as well. If we want to get rid of those annotations, go back down to the pen tool, switch it off, and switch it back on and start afresh. So here we have this look here, and then down the bottom, we're talking about these things here. So the annotation tool is recorded by the screen recorder, as is everything I say transcribed into a text file as well. So that's a look at how the new Screencast tool looks.